Hey guys, James here with AutoNuvo. Today we're working on a brand new Audi S6. It's in for some pretty extensive paint protection film coverage, and what kind of came to my mind was a question that we get all the time, and that's, okay, I just got paint protection film, now how do I maintain it? We're going to go over that next. So to start off any paint protection film maintenance, it all starts with a wash, as does everything else. If you had a ceramic coating or if you even had just a wax finish, obviously to maintain those products, everything is based off a proper wash. So making sure the surface is clean, making sure there's not a ton of built-up contamination is the key to maintaining this product. And it's also the key to kind of being that foundation for these protective products that we're going to apply to the film. So obviously, like I touched on, the wash process, that's number one. After that, what I like to do is I like to do a light alcohol wipe down of the paint protection film. Not a heavy concentration, 50-50 diluted with water is perfect, or a panel wipe of the sorts. For example, this is Geon Prep. And what that's going to do is post-wash, that is going to remove any maybe light oils, maybe some previous protection, whether it be a spray wax, what have you, just so it can set the perfect foundation for the protective products that you're going to apply on top of the film. Moving into what do I apply to the film? In short, modern paint protection film has what we call a top coat, which is kind of the protective attributes of the film. That's what keeps it glossy, that's what keeps it protected, that's what makes it stain resistant. But it's not to say that we can't add additional products to it to kind of further enhance it. Okay, so we have two new products from Jescar. We have their Ultra Lock Plus, which is a brand new ceramic infused kind of rendition on their classic Power Lock Plus. Enhanced water beading, enhanced looks and overall durability. So something that I think is really compatible with paint protection film, which is definitely going to be something to look at. And we also have their Beat It SiO2 spray wax, which is a spray wax kind of ceramic coating topper infusion, can be used to boost the Ultra Lock Plus and kind of keep it rejuvenated and kind of maintain it. But it can also be used as a standalone product on top of paint protection film to just add a little bit of water beading, add a little bit of slickness in between washes. So definitely two new products, very excited about them, been testing them over the last couple of weeks, and they've looked really, really nice on top of paint protection film. Now, let's go a little bit into application. Ultra Lock Plus is a conventional kind of cream-based sealant. A couple of drops on an applicator, apply it over the film, apply it to the rest of the car, wait about 30 minutes, let it kind of haze up, remove with a microfiber towel. I like to have 2 towels in the removal process, and it comes off super easy. Beat It SiO2 spray wax. Again, think spray wax, right? Spray, wipe. I like 2 microfiber towels during that application. One is your initial wipe. The second one is to follow up, just to knock down any streaking. And what you get from these two products is you get a baseline sealant, which is your super durable protection, and you have your topper, your Beat It spray wax, as kind of a booster or kind of a rejuvenator through all your different washing intervals. And together, what they give you is enhanced slickness on the film, enhanced ease of cleaning, and what it'll do is it'll allow contamination to be released from the film easier. And that's the ultimate goal. The goal is to allow, if you have a bird dropping, a bug gut, heavy dirt buildup, you don't ever want to really rub and scrub into the film. You want those things to be removed very, very easily. And adding protection on top of the film, I know it's crazy, it's like protection on top of protection, but I'm telling you, it will go a long way. It just really, I would say, prolonging the aesthetic characteristics of the film. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks so much again.